10, 8. Can any be divided by 2? Yes, therefore divided. Divided by 2 is 5. Divided by 2 is 4. Can be divided by 2. Yes, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 5 cannot be divided by 2, therefore equal. Divided by 2, okay. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 5 cannot be divided, okay. Cannot be divided by 2. 3 can be divided by 5. Yes, 5 divided by 5. 1. 1 cannot be divided by 5, therefore equal. 1, 1, okay, finish it. 2, 5. 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 5, 1 time. Exponent 1, okay? First exponent 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 5, 40. Okay.